ये मेरा है प्लीज ये हमारा था ओ इनविजिबिलिटी
Hi guys, welcome back
लेट्स
to
गो
another video. Today we are doing a 2v1. I am alone and Advay is with one of my new friends, Amo. So let's see who wins.
he's actually he first was my friend right then he
Yeah,
became yours
you
I
know,
introduced him to you
but
let's go boy roasted boy
what?
which one do you want to kill which bed do you want to destroy I'll take the opposite
I choose red.
no not red
Okay,
bro
there,
you
there,
told it in the room
there are some ground rules. I can't break the bed, but they can break my bed. And yeah, there are no other rules.
tell which one are you going to break
I'll just see according to my.
blue or yellow
I might.
if you don't want to choose
I'll go for both.
I'll go for blue then. Bro, you can't just choose both of them. Even we need one bed destroyer, right?
We would actually be doing 3v1, but my sister didn't want to play. So now it's just.
He was very angry, right?
Now it's just two
He was
v.
angry at you.
She's not angry, like she's just bored. She thinks better is
Even I used to think it. Don't forget.
bored. He used to think that, but then he also got addicted.
Bruh, not addicted. You're addicted. Look at your wins and mine. I have like 3 wins. He has 76. And Amok has 0 because he's playing that
Amok
was
is
for
playing
the
for the
first or second time.
third time. Third time.
Second
No,
time.
Amok has one win. We won the that day, no?
Yeah, yeah. Bruh, custom wins are not counted in the leaderboard.
No, not the last match. The day before that, when the blue team was camping us.
Oh, yeah. Then yeah.
Well, the game just gave me aimbot. So time.
Ah, that's
So
that's too much.
so
That's too much.
I have basically become tanker now.
Oh my god, I just died with 8. No, not 8. 5 diamonds. I'm literally so big of a noob.
I have been camping the Emerald Den.
Amu,
So
Amu, mute, bro.
he's a little smart.
Yep.
Uh, you do something. You get the blocks, get some wool, and protect the bed. That's fine, right?
Last round I was filming, but she left in middle, so I had to cut her. But
Yeah, and
she,
I destroyed him completely.
no,
Right.
no, you didn't destroy anything.
Bruh, you can't come to our bed now.
Yeah, I am not even coming to it. I
Yeah.
just come
Bro, we had a contract. We not like a professional. Like I told you, we are going to destroy blue, but you still.
here. No, I told you, na. It's upon my my mind.
Then yellow is ours. Then
Yeah,
yellow is
okay.
ours.
But you have to be quick, or I'll get the urge and I'll break it.
Wait.
Okay, I am like in a really what
Tight
do you say?
situation.
No, tough situation. I have 14, more than 14 emeralds.
And you're going to die, boy.
I'm just scared about that. I just must.
Amo, get a bow and bow him.
Oh,
Get
nah.
get a bow and get some arrows. You can bow him. He's
Yeah,
just
Ah,
he's either gonna fall and die or he's just gonna die like
but
because of the
I give you one guarantee that these emeralds aren't gonna be ours. Like they will.
I know that.
They will
I
be
know
the,
that. I know that.
They
I
will
know
be
that.
the voids or they will be mine.
They will be the voids maybe.
Yeah.
Because I know you can't get the emeralds if you kill the person.
No, you get
Not like the original bed was. But in Roblox you
Advay,
can't
you
get.
want the bow and arrow because I don't know how to.
You just use left click, aim it, then you can shoot.
well,
That's how you use it.
I have equipped aimbot successfully.
What is equipped? There's no word as equipped.
I see it now.
Ah, where the heck is he? कहाँ पे है?
That he must have got invisibility. So
No, no,
I saw him. I saw him somewhere.
then fine.
I have emeralds.
I'll go for the mid or something.
He's there, he's there, he's there.
Yeah, he's there.
Uh,
He's there.
You're trying to bow me down now, boy. Yeah, you try to bow me down. I'm serious. I have aimbot. I'm gonna shoot you both down.
Ouch.
Bruh, please don't kill me.
I don't know what
I'm
to
just on a page for killing.
Yeah, okay.
No, not.
See, I hate this guy. When he tells please don't kill me, it makes me urge more to kill him. Okay,
Oh,
what else should I buy? I have 4 emeralds.
Bruh, you literally told me your friend's like opinion. Like, how was I? I was like a cringe. You told me that, right?
Triple double more than this. He was more than just cringe.
I was like,
Guys, can I get the shot?
no,
Oh, I missed.
no,
Nah, just kidding.
bruh. What
mhm.
are you doing?
Hi, Amor.
Where is?
Bruh,
Oh,
be careful,
oh,
be
chow.
careful, be
Ouch,
careful, be
ouch,
careful, be
ouch.
careful.
What the?
Run back to your base, Amor. Run. Just kidding.
Oh, what the heck is
Yeah?
happening?
Yeah, you with leather armor want to fight a person with diamond armor, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, your wish. Well, I just
Wait.
threw armor.
Bruh, Ganesh,
What was this?
Ganesh, just tell the viewers what happened in the last one. How I killed you.
I seriously was on 5 HP.
What is he doing?
I
What is he
killed
doing?
Amok. I killed Amok. But after that, I deflated my balloons and I was
You
on
literally destroyed our bed
I-
before that,
I was
but
on-
still you died.
I
But
was
still
on-
you died.
yeah.
But still, Amog, get.
I want to kill this guy.
Yeah,
Amok.
you can't reach me, boy.
Amog, no, bruh, no,
Yeah,
no, you ain't doing that.
Ah.
You
I
ain't
am
doing
busy now.
that. Amog, do
Yeah,
one
yeah.
thing. Get 120 iron and just break. Sorry.
I thought you were.
You have 120 iron.
I have.
Yeah. Then get iron armor, and after that get 70 iron and get an answer.
Adway like has a whole plan to try to defeat me, but
Yeah, obviously. Who
it
won't?
sometimes doesn't.
Who won't? Who won't? Who won't? Who won't?
यार फिर से मुझे मार देगा.
I know it, bruh.
I am not
Be
even
fearless,
See,
be
see,
casting.
see, he's doing something.
Bruh, even I was a scaredy cat at this game.
Yeah, Adway was such a
But
Come
after
and
that,
kill me. I'm ready.
bruh, you can't even defeat him. You can't defeat him. You can't defeat him.
Bro, you have leather
Because he-
armor.
He has iron armor, right?
I don't have any.
I have diamond armor.
Bruh, get iron armor.
I got it.
One of you has to get the.
Bruh, and Karnish, your friends told that I was a clown saying bruh, right?
Yeah,
Tell them it's my like
kind of signature,
Adat.
kind of.
आदत वो मेरी आदत है बच्चा.
No way!
Oh, bhai!
I hit it!
Oh bhai,
I
you
hit
have
it!
aimbot.
I
You
hit
have
it!
aimbot. Why won't you hit me?
I hit it!
Why won't you hit me?
I hit it, let's go!
Of course, why won't you hit me? You have aimbot, right?
Let's go!
But I'm just trying to get some diamonds and you're just sniping me from there. Coward.
Yeah! So, okay,
Courage the cowardly
okay,
dog. Courage
no.
the cowardly dog.
Okay, you are using the joke I told about the last guy. Okay. You calling me cowardly, right? Okay, I'll come face to face and fight.
No, no need. No need.
No,
I'm a
no, no,
coward.
you
Sorry.
only don't.
No
No,
need.
no, no, no.
I'm a coward. I'm a
No,
coward.
no,
Sorry.
no.
Sorry,
Bye.
no need. No need.
Say hello to my little friend, Void.
Bruh, I'm just peacefully trying to build, yaar. I'm just peacefully trying to build and you're coming
okay,
and...
I'm cooling down. I'm not gonna bore him anymore because I have 20 emeralds. I just want to get the emeralds spawned.
Bruh, I'm
So
just trying to
good.
get some diamonds for our upgrade and you're just coming and sniping me. What?
You need to be quick, bro. That much, like, it will take you 10 minutes to build a whole bridge.
I'm just building it safely if Amok wants to go.
How is diamond shaped bridge safe?
No, means I'll edit it out.
Okay, now I think I am undestructible now because I have.
Because you have the emerald sword, right?
I have
You can
emerald-
kill us.
I have emerald sword, diamond armor, and aimbot. So,
You will, in few minutes you'll have the emerald armor too, right?
yeah.
That you can just go us.
Now I
and
have
kill
only
us.
one thing left. That's the rage blade. But I'm not even
Please.
breaking any stuff.
You don't use the rage blade because you don't need it.
Okay. Amog is being really
Bruh,
smart.
don't
He
be
is
brave.
being.
Don't be brave. You won't last. Even I won't last in front of you.
Break
Please
it,
don't
boy.
hit me. Please don't hit me. Please don't hit me. I have some diamonds. Bruh, are you kidding me?
I told you it's a
Bruh, this is
lit.
cheating. I told you you can't hit me. Like for a minute or something.
No. That was for the last match. He put a rule that after killing them for 1 minute, I have to cool down. I can't kill them again. But he didn't tell me that this round, so I didn't. Sorry.
Bruh.
Okay. Hello guys. I'm also from Red Team. Let's have a meetup.
And bruh, don't trust him. Don't
No,
trust him.
I
Don't
actually
trust him.
have the red name tag with me.
Yeah. You get
Oh
it
my
from,
god! Oh my god, I'm so scared. Amog is gonna rush me. I am out of my arrows. Oh my god, Amog, please don't rush me. Amog, please.
bruh.
I got the Emerald Sword, boy. I got the Emerald Sword.
Amok,
boy.
come back. Amok, come back. Amok,
Yeah,
come
he's
back.
already there.
Amok, I'll give you something.
क्या हुआ ये?
He killed you with the emerald sword. Literally.
That's called acting. And I'm not out of arrows. I have 200 arrows.
Yeah, and he's got aimbot.
I can
Bruh,
kill you
please
guys
don't kill me.
200 times.
Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me.
You guys need to get diamond armor like ASAP. No, you guys are dead.
Bruh, I'm just getting some diamonds. Please don't go me.
Okay. Oh
Or
my
I'm going
god!
to raid.
Amog has an iron sword that's more stronger than my sword. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm
Bruh,
dead.
don't make him feel
my
bad, yaar.
god.
Bruh, you're making him feel bad.
Yeah, I'm doing it. I just come here to have fun.
Bruh, you're
No hard
literally-
feelings, Amog. I'm just playing the game. Yeah, let me just come.
क्या हो रहा है यार ये मेरे साथ?
I'm also from the red team. Hi guys. Hello everyone. Hi.
मत करना यार.
ई,
There's no way.
क्या
I
हो
can-
रहा है?
Amok, come back. Amok, come back. You literally got to come back. Oh my god, are you kidding me?
Okay.
And you know it, right? Until we destroy your bed, you can't destroy ours.
No, I can't destroy a bed.
How
Like
is it
ever.
still?
Take,
Bruh, you just killed me when I was about to upgrade.
I dropped you all the diamonds. 16 diamonds I dropped you. You can do whatever you want.
Where is it?
Here, right in front of me. I'm not
And
gonna.
you're going to kill me immediately. I
No,
know
I'm
it.
not gonna shoot you. I'm not gonna do it.
Bruh, can you give me some emeralds? If you
Nah,
can do that.
no way. Then I'm gonna kill you, boy.
Bruh, at least let us get to diamond armor and diamond sword.
Yeah, I didn't do anything.
You have emerald sword, right?
Actually, yeah,
You
I
can
should.
even get.
I should get emerald armor so that it's.
Bruh. Literally.
And Amog, tell this to Advay. It's his fault for reminding me to get emerald armor because I had completely forgotten about this.
I'm just being honest.
If you didn't tell me about the emerald armor, I
हाँ
would have
सही
never
कह रहा
come.
है. Okay, Amor. Bruh,
सामने घूम रहा है यार ये.
So,
this is literally cheating.
sorry.
Bruh, this is.
यार ये क्या है यार? बेड वॉल में मजा आता है मारने में. You guys have to be quick.
Bruh, we are just trying to get some diamonds and
ई,
What? I got
क्या
him.
हुआ?
I didn't even.
no, you didn't.
No. Advay, I'll show you the footage later. But it literally shows that I missed him. He he still fell. What? Like when I post the video, na, you look at it. You'll see that I didn't even hit him. It just like went somewhere.
Okay.
Advay is like rushing. Oh my god, he's gonna kill me. I need to run.
Bruh, don't joke. I'm not even trying to rush.
Oh yeah. Not rushing.
I'm just
like
trying to
you're
get some
really
diamonds.
scared.
I'm just. Bruh, don't even try. Please don't try.
Sorry. Oh my god, Amog is now even more powerful than me. He has diamond armor.
Kill it.
I have 3 diamonds.
Drop it. Drop him. Come here and drop him. Press Q 3 times. Come here.
I
Come here.
don't
Come here. Come.
understand.
Face me. Face me. Face me. Face me.
Why?
Don't drop.
Why?
Yeah. Press Q. Press Q. Press Q 3 times.
Why you guys aren't like breaking my bed? I fell like 2 times and
Because you're just bowing us when we are coming.
just run faster maybe. get a bow maybe. Try to bow me, baby.
No, that's not possible.
It
Because you
is
keep moving.
possible.
Because you keep moving, and we are
So,
very bad at
yeah,
aiming.
you also
And
need
you
to
have
keep moving.
aimbot. And you have aimbot.
It's not me, it's the game which keeps giving
Yeah,
me aimbot.
that's the game fault. Game's fault. It gave you aimbot.
You heard
But you
that,
still have
right?
aimbot. But you still have aimbot. That's why.
I just said
Amok, don't face him. Amok, don't face him. Don't face him.
bye bye. Sorry. I don't know why he rushed me. I was just peacefully standing near them.
He like wants to.
What is
Like-
happening to the controls?
Yeah, it's the controls, guys. Amok is a really nice player.
I have an emerald and a diamond.
Can you give the emeralds to me?
And one more thing. Oh my god. I can have a double. Oh my god, I have double aimbot now. Let's go. I have 2 crossbows at a time. Like, not at a time.
This is literally isn't.
I have
this
an emerald
literally
again.
isn't. Give all the. Keep them with you. Give them to me
मैं
afterwards.
मर जाऊंगा.
No, don't die. Don't. Yeah, stop it, Ganesh. Stop
okay.
it.
Okay.
कुछ करेगा.
Susi Baka.
He literally has aimbot and he's killing us.
Bro, you get a normal bow. You can still bow me down. There's like nothing. This isn't aimbot. This just has a clear shot with it. Like, I'm not doing anything special with this crossbow.
Give me all of your emeralds, Amok. I'll.
I gave you.
Okay.
Otherwise, gonna loot Amok.
No, I'm not looting you. I'm
Oh
not
my
looting
god,
you.
I just need one more emerald. I just need one more emerald. Then I'm
Wait.
set.
Then you have to stop for us. You
Then-
have to wait for us.
Hell.
Don't come here, please. You have the
Yeah, I'm
emerald
not
armor.
coming. No, I can see lucky blocks here, so I just come to this. I need some shield. Then what is this? You. Oh my god! I got the rage blade.
Bruh, that's. You can't use it then.
I
You
actually.
can't.
No. There's no rule that I can't use it. Amok, you've grown so big, boy. Shoot me down. Shoot
Don't
me
kill
down
him.
now.
Don't kill him.
No, shoot me down. I don't care. You shoot me down.
Bruh, why are you killing me?
Because I can't
Stop
see
it.
Amok. I can't
Because
see
of that, my
Amok.
mom is just shouting at me. She's just scolding me that. Shouting to me. Bruh, stop it! Literally stop it. I'm literally annoyed because of you.
Tell Amok he's
Amok,
the-
please.
He's the one
please
trying to
don't.
bow
Please
me
don't.
down.
Please don't.
Amok!
Amok.
No, actually Amok, like bow me down. I wanna see what it feels like dying with 40 emeralds. Psych!
ये
Did you think I really will die that easily?
यार बहुत मजा आता है किसी को मारने में.
तुझे क्या लगता है तुम मार क्यों रहा हो तुम लोग को? Okay, I am like in a really deadly spot now.
कुछ तो सीखा कम से कम.
There's no way you guys can bow me down like right now. There's 0% chance. And yeah, it is 0. Okay, so like now I'm the god. Yeah, I'm the god now. Like nothing can stop me now. It's kind of
ऐसा भी है.
like you can't stop me now. I just got the armor and I have the ring. Who's trying to bow me down? Where's that smart person? Where's the smart
I.
person? Oh, then I'll bow you down, smart person.
Ouch.
I still
याद है ये.
I still got you.
Ouch. Ouch.
Oh my
Ouch.
god.
Ouch.
Now
Ouch.
I am in yellow team. We just have to see. I seriously have the rage blade and the emerald sword. That's what I was going for.
यार ये अद्भुत क्या कर रहा है? What is he doing?
Adva is just been mining by obsidian from somewhere. Okay, when will the beds break exactly? Does anyone know that? Yeah, never try to do that again.
यार
Let me
मैं
just build.
कुछ नहीं कर सकता.
I'll be muting up for some time.
We can't do anything. All the
Okay,
beds
now,
will break in 60
now
seconds.
Amog, come
Yeah.
here, come here. I'll give you some
I have three
emeralds.
emeralds.
I'll give you some emeralds. Just go and get the diamond armor and diamond
कोई
sword.
कोई कोई
Stop
मार
it!
रहा है, कोई मार रहा है.
Stop it!
no,
वो नहीं
Stop
मार रहा.
it!
Advait, the beds are breaking. It's no worries. Like, what?
Stop it! I'm
Bro,
trying to
why?
give him some emeralds.
So give him quick.
Take all them. And buy some armor. Diamond armor and diamond sword.
And I'll just.
Stop it!
Thanks. मुझे 7 emerald मिले.
Advait, you seriously need to up your game. 10 seconds are left. Just seriously like that. Oh my god, I'm still in my box. Now we can fight. Like there's no boundaries now.
Ouch. ये क्या था?
Stop it! Stop. Wait here.
He's doing something.
I need to get him.
Fight him.
Yeah, I got the rage blade.
That's it.
So bye guys.